1 year of Trump's tariff, but have India's exports to the US actually taken a hit? Or has India managed to keep its biggest export market strong while simultaneously looking for new markets around the world? If you are looking for the answers, you are at the right place. Hello everyone, you are watching Commodity Today English. I am Palak Singh. India's exports to United States have remained surprisingly resilient despite a year of tariff tensions and growing uncertainty in the global trade. According to the latest data, India's export to the US reached around $87.31 billion in 2025 to 2026, compared with $86.51 billion a year earlier. So, despite the tariff pressure, Indian exporters have managed to maintain their presence in the American market. So, why is the US market so important for India? The United States remains India's largest export destination. According for roughly 20% of India's total exports, Indian businesses across sectors including electronics, pharmaceuticals, engineering goods, textile, gems and jewelry and other manufactured products depend heavily on demand from the US. That makes the stability of this market extremely important for India's exporters. But here's the bigger story. India is increasingly trying to reduce its dependence on any single market. As global trade becomes more uncertain, India has been expanding its network for trade agreements and strengthening access to markets such as United Kingdom, the European Union, Oman and the New Zealand. The strategy is relatively simple. Keep strengthening the US market but create more export destinations at the same time. So, what does this mean for Indian exporters? For exporters, diversification can provide a safety net. If demand weakens in one market or tariffs increases, businesses with access to multiple markets have more opportunities to redirect their exports. However, the US will continue to remain critical because of its larger consumer market and strong demand for the Indian products. The challenge for India will therefore be to maintain competitiveness despite tariffs while ensuring that exporters can take advantage of new trade opportunities elsewhere. Global trade is becoming increasingly unpredictable. For tariffs and trade disputes to geopolitical tensions and shipping disruptions, exporters are facing multiple challenges. In this environment, India's ability to maintain export growth while diversifying its markets could become a major competitive advantage. So, after a year of Trump's tariff, can India continue to keep its export to the US strong while building a wider global export network? The numbers so far suggest that Indian exporters have shown resilience. But real test will be whether India can turn the resilience into long-term, diversified and sustainable export growth. Let us know your thoughts in the comment below. Thanks for watching.